The most important thing you'll be doing in the software is finding. The software is, in the end, a database, so it's important to be able to find the contacts and information you want. On most any screen, there will usually be a Find button. On the main screen, the Find button is located near the record navigator at the bottom. Instead of clicking the Find button, you could also perform a find by holding down the Control key and pressing 4. After clicking Find or typing Control 4, we can type a search query, such as John. Hitting Enter returns a list of all the contacts you may be interested in using the term John. It retrieves John DiPierno because John is in the first name field. It retrieves Ruth Johnson because her last name begins with John. It returns more contacts named John, and lastly, a contact that has an email address that begins with John. We have just performed a quick find. If you notice, we did not specify where we wanted the system to search for the information. It just brought the matching and most relevant results to us. Quick searches search through most fields, like name, email, phone, website, etc., all at one time. When we typed the search query John and hit Enter, we actually performed a quick find, the default find. If you want to perform your search on a select set of fields, perform a full find instead. You are brought to the full find search mode console. The first thing you'll want to do when performing a brand new full find is to clear your last full find. Now that you have everything prepped for a new search, you can type John in the first name field and click on Find from All to find all contacts named John. As you can see on the record navigator, the software has found 4 contacts named John in the database. You can navigate through them one by one, or click on Find List to show them in a list. You'll notice we don't get the previous set of contacts where we did a quick search for John. This time, we wanted specifically that the first name be John. A normal quick search for John brings up the original set. Now that we know how to find, we need to learn how to omit. Omitting is just as important as finding. Omitting just removes a particular record from the current found set, and does not delete it. For example, here we did a find for John and got 6 results. But perhaps some of our results weren't what we wanted. Maybe we only wanted contacts whose first name was John. If any of the found set records do not match some outside criteria, you can omit the record from your results. Here, we'll omit Ruth and Kim because we only want contacts named John. Omitting a record does not delete it. Omitting is useful when you perform a find and you get most of the results you want, but there are a few of them in there that you don't want. Performing the find again will restore the original results.